How to buy games from Epic Games Launcher. So first, what you want to do is just go to the store right here and just find the game that you want to buy. So let's say I want to buy this game right here. So simply click on it, then click on buy now, or you could also add to cart that particular game. Just let's say I just want to add it to cart, and you could also do this with free games. So when I go find a free game right here, click on it, then click on get right here. Just wait for it to load. It basically has the same process. So now you just simply click on place order right there. You could also click here to share your email, but for me, I'm just gonna go with place order. Now, as you can see, it says thank you, and it will automatically add the game in your library. So let's go back to our cart and check the game that we've added. Put the games right here, and once you're here, just simply click on the checkout right there, and wait for it to load. Now you just simply need to add your credit card if you want. So this is the payment method. So you could also go with PayPal or this one. So the payment methods may vary depending on what region you're in. So let's say I want this. A credit card, just simply input the payment informations right there. And just once you're done, just simply click on place order right here. And it will bring you to a new page depending on what payment method that you've used. So I've used the payment method here in my country with this Gcash, and I just simply need to scan the QR code, and it will be automatically added to my library. And that's how I basically buy a game in Epic Games.